Hey, I noticed that on my shower outside windows, I was getting a lot of water spots. And I searched Amazon to try and find the best product to help clean that up. What I found was one product that seemed to stand out above all the other products. Today, we're going to go over that product, test it out, and see the results. The product I found was ProClean Water Spot Remover. Restores your glass surfaces. It's easy to apply, it claims. It's water-based, acid-free, and biodegradable. We're going to see what it does, if it does what it claims to do, and removes ultimately the water spots. First off, we're going to test it out in the shower, seeing if we can remove these nasty water spots on the shower door. And then we're going to take it outside. The sprinkler system has got some really rough water spots on the glass, and we're going to see how it does. Before we begin, it comes with a soft nylon brush and obviously the chemical. It says to make sure to clean any surfaces of the glass before we remove the debris. Also use the non-scratch nylon pad. And we're going to work in small areas at a time using the medium pressure and make sure that it's in a circular motion to avoid micro scratches. We're going to rinse the pad to make sure we remove any of the minerals. It seems really scratchy at first. As it goes on, it seems to smooth out a little bit as if some of the watermarks have been removed with the chemical. Once you've finished applying the solvent and you've scrubbed it in, then use a microfiber towel to remove the material. While scrubbing, it seems to have gotten easier as if the water spots have been removed. It's a lot cleaner now. This is the area that I haven't cleaned yet, and just above it is the area that we just did. Nice and clear. These are the water spots from the exterior. We're going to see if the ProClean water spot remover can do the job out here and remove these water spots. Window cleaner can't remove them though. It's too hard. This is from a sprinkler system. This is stuck on and stubborn. So we have the water remover on, the pad. I just like dabbing it a little bit here and there, just spread it all out, and then we'll start with the swirling motion. You can see right here all the water spots that have been removed from the nylon sponge. Doesn't seem to take a lot of the material to go a long way. On the box it mentioned if there were some really difficult spots to let it sit for a little while and then to scrub. It's already starting to smooth out a little bit now on these. You can kind of see that the solvent is a little bit clearer. It didn't take very long at all to do the job. Just a couple minutes. I'm gonna do a little test area and see the comparison, the before and after. All right, let's clean it off and see how we did. All right, this is what it looked like before, and just to the left is what it looked like afterwards. Removed everything. It took maybe less than a minute. You can see on the right side all the hard water. We'll finish that up. But I'd say it's done a really great job. I'm gonna finish the other side up. Again, ProClean water spot remover. It did a really good job for me. I'm gonna attach the link in the description if you want to get this product on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching.